Kipling. Kipling.
Committing suicide or something. Hold on. Hold it, correct.
Oh, okay. How's my hair? Good. All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. Happy New Year, everyone. Yay. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, New Year's, great year. 2023 has been amazing. A lot of ups and downs in my life. Overall, a very blessed year. I hope this coming year is also going to be full of love and blessings for all of us here. So I want to say thank you to everyone who is here with me on my channel on this journey, guys. We are going on our third year. I'm so excited. I can't believe it's going to be, March will be 3 years that I've been here. So much is going to change this year, guys. Starting with January, of course, I let everyone know in my previous videos, January is Kipling month here on my channel. I am going to be showing you guys all my new Kiplings, my old Kiplings, my Kipling collection. And I invite all my fellow YouTubers here, if you want to join in and do a January Kipling month. Show us your bags. We want to see everybody's bags. So join in. So I think I have set a schedule. And every Monday I'm going to have a review of the newest bag. I'm going to show you guys a bag or an unboxing because I do have a couple coming. And then I want to say Friday I will do a what's in my bag with my Kiplings so I can use them throughout the month because there is a lot to go through. So this is going to be fun, and thank you to everyone who's been with me all this time. So let's jump right in. First video for January, guys. Kipling month. Look at this beauty. I think I did give you guys a preview of the bag that will be shown first. This is it. This is the gorgeous. Let me bring it closer because the lighting is not doing this bag any justice. It is so beautiful in person. It is a Felix, large Felix. I do have another Felix. I do enjoy the Felix probably the most for my Kiplings because it has a lot of pockets, which I'll show you right now. And the color of this beauty is, let me see if I get the color correct. So it is a Felix, large, I was right, frosted lilac metallic. So yeah, that's in one word. That's exactly what it is. Frosted lilac. Let me come closer, guys. It has this gorgeous metallic light purple. Look at it. Beautiful. It's a new piece for me. Love it. Again, the Kiplings have no weight to them, so I'm looking forward to using them all month. They are known for their lightweightness, durability, easy to pack. All my Kiplings are in a little Tupperware here, so that is amazing. Here she is, guys, the Felix. She came with a monkey. Monkey's name, I believe, is Willow. Look how cute. So let's start on the side. Side here, pocket, beautiful zipper. Has a nice deep pocket on one side, other side as well, same pocket. Okay. In the front here, it has a pocket. In the pocket here, there is a key and place for a pen, right? One pen, and if you want to put your glasses, something. You'll see it in my what's in my bag. I'm going to do the what's in my bag on this first one on Friday. I don't have any pieces to match, so I'm going to be creative. I might throw in some of my Vera Bradleys and of course some Dooney. So here we go. Let's continue our review of it. Back here has a pocket. Love it. So many pockets. It's crazy how many pockets. 2 handles. Front here, it has like this compartment. Velcro. Nice. Inside is a light gray, guys. Light gray color. In the back here, again, another kind of hidden compartment. Did you see how many beautiful compartments it had? Look at this. And then the big middle. Of course, it has the removable, adjustable strap. I love these. You can use these for other bags if you have other bags. Love it. And then in the main compartment, guys, large opening, zipper pocket in the back. And there you have it. Our first January Kipling to be on review here on my channel. I am so excited, guys. It is the Felix again. So what's coming up for Tera on my channel? As you guys noticed, I did change my name to Boutique, Tera's Boutique. There is reasoning behind my madness. Some of you might know, and if you don't, this is news for you, but I started my YouTube life way back in the day as a jewelry channel, and it was called Tera, RP Tera's Boutique, and I used to sell on stuff I would sell on eBay and what was it, Etsy? Yeah. But I closed all that down and I stopped doing it, and then I fell in love with my bags and I started doing my bags and my videos, and then you know, makeup, and then that's why the name changed. And then I was like, you know what, I'm going back to my roots of my boutique life. And with my new shelving, it does look like a boutique, and I'm loving this shelving. I have no idea where I'm going with the decoration of this. It is a mind fog right now. I have so many ideas in my head, I can't seem to put it up for you guys, so bear with me. It is still pretty to look at. As you can see, all my doonies are up here. Curly, are you on my foot? Like, sorry. He's like playing with his toy right here. Okay, so we are going to be slowly, I'm going to be selling back again. I'm going to start with some of my doonies and other bags that I no longer use, because I do want to bring in new and, you know, rotate. So I do have a big growing collection. So some of these items that you see back there might go up for sale. I'm not sure. If I could get better equipment, I'm going to be going live this year, so you guys can see me on lives. I do have a new series also coming up. It's going to be Tera at the zoo again. I'm going to be going back to the zoo, and I'm going to take you guys with me, and we're going to throw in some of those videos. So a lot is coming up this year, and I'm really excited. And of course, the Doonie of the month is coming back. Today I am filming, this is New Year's Eve, so this video might be up on New Year's Day, depending on when it loads. But if it's New Year's Day, of course, if the bag of the month is up, I will be ordering it. And this year we are going to start, announcement, we are going to start gifting, I'm not saying giveaway, gifting the bag of the month every month to my subbies here. So yay! If you're a subby and you're following me here, and as also on my YouTube channel and my Instagram channel, you guys have to go and be on both, because if I do decide that you're gonna get a bag of the month from me, free gift, you have to be also there. So I need you guys, whoever is watching, go link from my homepage. If my son can link it under this video, we will. If not, it's on my homepage. Go to my Instagram. Follow me. Send me a quick message on any of the photos, any of the pictures, and say, YouTube friend, enter me. So this means that I know that you guys are also there and here. And if you have any family members who have a YouTube, tell them to join. Tell all your friends, because we are going to be giving, I want to say starting in January, if the bag of the month returns, we're going to start with that, where we are going to be giving away, gifting away. You don't have to enter. It's a gift from me to someone who is active. Listen to that, active on my channel. That means you are communicating, you are subscribing, you are commenting, you are liking, and you are there on my Instagram, so I can match you up, okay? Send me a message there. Hey, this is me. this is me on YouTube. This is me on this, like that. So I know who you are, and I get to know you guys. And I have my own book of people I'd like to gift to, and it's going to be constantly growing. So if you want a brand new Dooney and Burke bag gifted from me, the one I show, you guys know I do it, I unbox it, show it, and if I don't have it, I'm going to gift it. So we're going to start that this year. I'm so excited, so excited. More, of course, more information will be put in my community page, guys. So I'm so excited. Thank you all for being here with me on my YouTube journey. And this month is Kipling month. I hope you enjoyed looking at this beautiful Felix. And then I'll see on Friday will be my very first what's in my bag with this. Okay, I am so excited. Thank you all so much. Thank you. And if you're new, please subscribe. Tell everyone in your family. You have 10 people in that family. 10 of you can subscribe and be entered in my gift. It's a gift. It's not a giveaway. Do not contact anybody here on YouTube. If someone says it's me, it's not. I only contact through Instagram. And the way I contact is I tell you, this is me. I give my phone number so you could call me directly. Do not give your information to anyone else. Of course, more on that throughout the month. But yay! I'm so happy you guys are here. Thank you. Let's start our Kipling right with this beauty. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you guys on Friday. Mwah. Bye.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.